I love a Christmas tree, okay? And this is one of my favorites. It's in our bedroom. This is the second year we've had it up, and I thought I would just show you a very close-up look at this beautiful tree. It's from GE. It's a 7.5-foot flocked Candlewood Pine tree from Lowe's, okay? It is so thick and full. I'm actually trying to show you the center of the tree. There it is. It's really, really thick. Fluffing does take quite a while with this tree because of how thick it is, but trust me, spend the time to do it because it just really elevates the whole thing. It's got a really nice amount of flocking on it. It's not too much, but it's just enough to give it that perfect frosted glow, and I love that it is both colored and in white. I tend to have the white on more often, but I'm going to admit that I love switching it to colored at night. It just gives our room this really fun glow. And I don't know, it's just sort of like a childlike whimsy or something. These lights are so cool, these bubble lights, because you don't even have to decorate this tree. I've never decorated this tree. Why would you? This is what it looks like at night. It's just so beautiful. It's a mix of these bubble lights and regular lights. There's a total of 600 lights in total, and there are some color changing features. I generally just like it in a steady state versus any kind of flashing or anything like that. But again, it is just so beautiful. It has a foot pedal to turn it on and off. It does not come with a remote, so you probably are going to want to buy a smart plug or a remote that works with your electric. I get a ridiculous amount of joy from having this tree in my bedroom, and it's one of my favorites, and I cannot recommend it highly enough. I love the mix of different branches and that there's pine cones. It's just really, really beautiful and elegant and luxurious. A couple more details. This tree has over 2,000 flocked branch needles, and again, it's accented with pine cones, so that is a really beautiful feature. And again, it's got 600 color choice LED lights, and these are GE lights, so that gives me some comfort just knowing that they're going to be really high quality. This is definitely a tree to check out. It's worth every single penny, and there are often really great sales. Absolutely love this one. I recommend it highly from the bottom of my heart.